Another important aspect of resins is their classification. There are different bases to classify resins. The first way to classify resins is classification based upon type of constituents. With this, resins are categorized into four types, such as acid resins, ester resins, rosin alcohols, and resins. Acid resins contains acid as a chief constituent. For example, abietic acid in colophony and comfifolic acid in myrrh. Ester resins contains ester as the chief constituents of resin. For example, benzoin in coniferyl benzoate and storax in cinnamyl cinnamate. Resin alcohol contains alcohols of higher molecular weight, may be free or ester form. For example, pyruresinotenol in balsam of Peru. Lastly, resins, complex natural substance with characteristic chemical properties, do not form salts or esters. These are insoluble in alkalis and they are immune to oxidizing agents and vary in climatic condition. Example, dracorecin, that is dragon's blood. Glycosides can also be classified based upon homogeneous mixture with volatile oil, gums and acids. With this, resins are categorized into five types, such as oleoresins, oleogum resins, glycoresins, balsamic acids, and gum resins. Oleoresins are resins in homogeneous mixture with volatile oils. These are good carminatives and disinfectant. Example, Canada balsam, turpentine oil, capsicum, and ginger. Oleogum resins are resins in homogeneous combination with oil, gum, and resin. Example, myrrh and asafoetida. Glycoresins are resins that are found in combination with glycosides. These on hydrolysis produces sugars and complex resin acids, as aglycone, example, jalap. Balsam and balsamic acids. These are the resins in combination with aromatic acids like cinnamic acid and benzoic acid. Example, balsam of Tolu, balsam of Peru, and Storex. Gum resins are the resins in homogeneous combination with gum. These have soothing properties. Example, myrrh.